Hello YouTube, Tron's got here. Today I'm going to show you how to adjust your points and your condenser. As you can see, I'm halfway through an oil service. I've just done the fuel fill. I know it's quite a big one, but stuff it, why not? I've got a load more service and parts there, so I'm going to be doing differential oil, cleaning up my fuel filter, cleaning up my fuel pump. I'm going to do the gearbox today as well, charging the battery. Yeah, I'm just going to give it some good TLC. I've neglected it a little bit recently, but it's going to get a nice clean. Also going to do the ignition timing today and the balanced carbs, hopefully, if I've got time. But time is running out, unfortunately. So yeah, feeder gauge to make sure it's got the 0.4 mil gap on it. Should be fine. The points themselves. Oh, seem to have come out of that little housing. And the condenser. Okay, so first things first. If you can see, we need to get these electrical connections. That's all we're going to do is pop that off, and then we're going to pull them out. It's a two-handed job, unfortunately, but you get the gist. Yeah, you're just going to push this back, happy with that, and then pull them out. So all we're going to do next is remove this screw to remove the points themselves, and then this screw to remove the condenser. So yeah, took off this cap as well just to get out of the way. So that's the points done. Now I just need to get rid of this. So now the condenser's out, it's really important that you keep this in line with that, so when you screw it back up, it has contact. Give it a quick clean in there, it's a bit minging, and then yeah, it should be good to go. So annoyingly, the one which Rim Bros has supplied me with, the clip is too big and doesn't fit in there. However, I've managed to find another old condenser and then put the new the old clip on that, and it does just about fit in. That looks a lot closer, but yeah, it does just about fit in, so we'll see how it goes. So next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to manually crank the engine and then check to see if there's clearance on this. It does look tight, I know, but 6 seconds. Bit we're going to put this in and pull this off, this metal bit here, and put the electrical connections in, put the metal bit back on, and then screw it back in. Next, what we're going to do is see how it's got a corner bit there, and make sure that the corner bit is on the red bit, okay, by manually cranking the engine. Once it's there, we can then adjust the gap. To adjust the gap, you're going to put the screw in so it's loose, and you can see the whole area can move. I'm going to put the 0.4 in there and just double check. Can you see it's on the corner now? I'm going to place the feeler gauge in there, make sure it works, and then once it's good, we can then adjust it. As you can see, the whole thing moves. So thank you for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe if you find it useful. Any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. Make sure all the cables are tucked in before you put the cap back on, and yeah, we should be good.